Welcome to another review. Today we are unboxing the Bontrager Ion 100R bicycle light. So this is for the front bicycle light. It's rechargeable and has an unconditional Bontrager warranty. This also can be used as a daytime light and includes a flash with varying intensity. It can focus directly on a beam to increase range, and it's visible up to 2 kilometers away. It ranges from 5 lumens until 100. So depending on the strength of the light, the time that it can shine will range between 1.5 hours for full power until 16 hours. It has a compact design. It has an ambient light sensor for auto brightness control, and it comes included with a micro USB cable for charging, as well as a quick connect bracket. So let's unpack this. As you can see, it comes with a small instruction booklet and the short micro, and this is the light. As you can see, it's very small, and the charge port is down here, and the on and off switch is on top over here, and as you can see, it's quite bright, and depending on how many times you press, it has a different strength of light, and it also does flash. So you just cycle the different light brightness by clicking on the top button, and to switch off you just press long on the power button. And they say it's also waterproof IP46, so you probably can use the light during rain and it will still work. And as I can see, the clip-on, you can just take it off. You don't have to take the whole bracket off. You can just take off the light, for instance, when you don't want to leave the lamp parked outside, so you don't have to take the whole bracket. You can just take the light, and to slide it in, you just put it like that, and then it's secure. And so this you can attach to your handlebar or any other item, and it has different sizes. So, and this cable is flexible, so you can stretch it a bit if you want. So that was my unboxing of the Bontrager Ion 100R bicycle light. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.